So many supplements are certainly beneficial to your health. Evidence varies widely, and it's important to know which can benefit your health and which may be harmful. Five things you need to know about dietary supplements. 1. Supplements come in many forms. Whether in pill, powder or liquid form, the goal of dietary supplements is often the same: to supplement your diet to get enough nutrients and enhance health. Some common dietary supplements include calcium, fish oil, echinacea, ginseng, garlic, vitamin D, St. John's wort, green tea. 2. Some supplements are effective, while others are not. There's a reason supplements are so popular: sometimes they work. In addition to a healthy diet, there is evidence that some supplements can benefit your overall well-being with little to no risk. Common supplements that may benefit your health include vitamin B12, which can help keep nerve and blood cells healthy, make DNA and prevent anemia. Folic acid, which can reduce birth defects when taken by pregnant women. Vitamin D, which can strengthen bones. Calcium, which can promote bone health. Vitamin C and E, which can prevent cell damage. Fish oil, which can support heart health. Vitamin A, which can slow down vision loss from age-related macular degeneration. Zinc, which can promote skin health and slow down vision loss from age-related macular degeneration. Melatonin, which can help counteract jet lag. However, despite the amount of research that's been done on supplements, since 1999, the National Institutes of Health has spent more than $2.4 billion studying vitamins and minerals. Scientific evidence isn't completely clear. Keep in mind, most studies suggest that multivitamins won't make you live longer, slow cognitive decline or lower your chances of disease, such as heart disease, cancer or diabetes. In fact, it's illegal for companies to make claims that supplements will treat, diagnose, prevent or cure diseases. Also, the products you buy in stores or online may be different from those used in studies, so studies may be misleading. 3. Supplements aren't always safe. In most cases, multivitamins aren't likely to pose any health risks. Still, it's important to be cautious when you put anything in your body. Supplements may interact with other medications you're taking or pose risks if you have certain medical conditions, such as liver disease, or are going to have surgery. Some supplements also haven't been tested in pregnant women. Some supplements may contain ingredients not listed on the label, and these ingredients can be unsafe. Certain products are marketed as dietary supplements and actually contain prescription drugs within them. Drugs that are not allowed in dietary supplements. Some supplements that may pose risks include vitamin K, which can reduce the effectiveness of blood thinners, ginkgo, which can increase blood thinning, St. John's wort, which can make some drugs, such as antidepressants and birth control, less effective. Herbal supplements comfrey and kava, which can damage your liver, beta-carotene and vitamin A, which can increase the risk of lung cancer in smokers. 4. Speak with your healthcare provider before taking any supplements. The most important thing to remember is to be smart when choosing a supplement. On top of that, keep these simple tips in mind as you choose a supplement. Take supplements as directed according to the label and your healthcare provider's instructions. Read the label, including ingredients, drug interactions, and % daily value, %DV. Be wary of extreme claims, such as completely safe or works better than, insert prescription drug. Remember that the term natural doesn't necessarily equal safe. Keep supplements stored properly and away from children. 5. Nothing beats the nutrient power of a healthy diet. No matter what your goal is when taking supplements, One thing is certain, they aren't a replacement for a nutrient-dense, healthy diet. Supplements are meant to be supplementary, meaning they enhance benefits already provided by eating a well-rounded diet. Supplements should never be used in place of real food. Don't underestimate what a nutrient-packed salad can do for you compared to a pill made in a factory. Vitamins and minerals are essential to helping your body develop and function as it should. While most people get all of what's recommended by eating healthy, others need a little extra nutrient boost. That's where supplements come in, providing you with the support your body needs to stay healthy. Here's the honest answer: no supplement can add years to your lifespan, at least we don't have any evidence of that yet. Still, certain supplements may help slow down specific parts of the aging process. Certain supplements may help slow the aging process and promote a long, healthy life. Curcumin, collagen, CoQ10, crossin, nicotinamide mononucleotide, and quercetin are just some of the substances that have been shown to offer anti-aging effects in research studies. Nevertheless, while some studies suggest that taking certain supplements may help slow aging, the best way to promote longevity and overall health is to engage in healthy practices like consuming a nutritious diet, engaging in regular exercise, and reducing stress.